Hey guys, welcome back to another quick tutorial video of Tech It Simple. In this video, I am going to show you how you can create a business Gmail account. So, without any further ado, let's dive right into this exciting video. Firstly, you have to open your Gmail application. After opening the application, simply click on this account button at the top right. From there, you can see this Add Account button. Simply click into that, and you'll get to your Google account. Simply select that. After clicking there, this tab will appear. You just simply have to click into this Create Account button, and you'll get these two options. The first one is for my personal use, and the second one is for my work or my business. Simply select the second option here. Now, from here, you have to enter your first name into here. The second one is optional, so you can enter the surname if you want and click Next. Now, you have to select your birth date and gender. After doing that, simply click Next. After selecting the gender, you have to create your own mail address here and click Next. Now comes the most important part. You just simply have to create a password for your Gmail account. But remember, your password must be longer than 8 characters to be safe from security breaches. Click Next. Now, after coming to this Privacy and Terms section, you just simply have to scroll down a bit, and you will get this I agree button. Click on that. After following these very easy steps, your business account in Gmail will successfully be created. I hope this video was helpful for you. If yes, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel to never miss another update. Thank you for watching the video.